Hello, my name is Steve. I'm one of the librarians at the Kellogg-Hubbard Library. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started using Kanopy, which is an online movie streaming service. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kanopy on a computer. You can also use the service on a smartphone or a tablet. The primary difference being that if you're using one of those devices, the first step would be to download the Kanopy app. On a computer, I'm going to begin by opening an online browser. And then I'm going to navigate to Kellogg-Hubbard.org, which is the library's website. From the library's website, I can link to Kanopy. And to do that, I'll look at Digital and then Kanopy. And in the page that opens, this Kanopy image right here will, if I click on it, will link me right to the Kanopy website. Now that I'm at the Kanopy website, I'm going to add my library card. So it's going to ask me here for my library card number and my library card password. Your library card number is located on the back of your library card. It's 14 digits long. You'll see it printed on the back of your library card with spaces. When you type in your library card number, you're going to want to type it in without any spaces. You should have received a password when you signed up for a library card. If you don't have your library card or you don't know what your password is, please do reach out to the library. We can be reached by phone or email, and we're happy to help you get that information. So I'm going to type in my library card number without any spaces. And then I'll type in my password and click on continue. The next step is for me to enter in my name, my email address, and then to create a unique password for Kanopy. All right, so I've successfully logged into Kanopy. With Kanopy, it's important to remember the unique password that you created, because the next time that you log in, it will ask you for your email address and then that unique password. So I'll begin by clicking Watch Now. And this is the Kanopy main screen. To begin watching, I can click on any of these movies here. I can do a search, or I can do a browse. One important thing which I want to point out right away is that you'll see a number next to your name. That number is the number of credits that you have. Each month you have 4 credits. Each movie usually costs 1 credit to watch. There are movies which cost no credits to watch. Those are any movies which are under the Kanopy Kids section here. Or if you scroll down, you'll always find a section that will say credit-free viewing, and you can look at any of these movies here without costing you any credits. This list of credit-free viewing movies does update on a regular basis, so it's worth checking in every month or so to find out what the new credit-free movies are. If I don't see anything in these displays that I'm interested in watching, I can do a search. So I'll do a search for Alfred Hitchcock. My search results will show me anything where the name Alfred Hitchcock shows up. So this will be movies both directed by Alfred Hitchcock and movies about Alfred Hitchcock. If specifically I'm looking for movies directed by Alfred Hitchcock, I can use these menus on the left to narrow my search. So here I'm going to click on filmmakers and just look at movies by Alfred Hitchcock. And now I'm seeing the movies that are available for Alfred Hitchcock. If this is the specific movie that I'm interested in watching, I'll click on this. And then when I click on the play button, it will begin playing the movie. My credits will change to 3. I'll have a certain length of time in which I can watch the movie without costing me additional credits. So if you start watching a movie and need to stop, you will have a certain length of time where you can go back and finish watching the movie before you waste another credit. I can also use the browse feature. The browse feature will let me look at selections of movies under different genres. I can look at documentaries under different genres. I can look at educational videos. There's lots of different genres and categories that I can browse. So that's how you get started using Kanopy. If you have any questions for us, please do reach out. We can be reached again by phone or email, and we're happy to help you with any questions you might have. Thank you.